Hey guys, so I went to Michael's craft and art supplies and I picked up an item I'm going to be using for my seed organization and stuff like that. So stay tuned and I will show you what exactly I got. Okay, so this box I got at Michael's. It's rainbow color. Both sides are the exact same way, so there's two of each color. It goes from like a purple to, I'm assuming this is supposed to be like a red. It kind of looks like a dark pink. Anyways, so you can see it's quite large. I kidnapped the sticker off of it right here and put it on a random card I had. So it's a photo or craft keeper, depending on how you want to use it. It holds standard 4x6 inch photos if you're going to put photos in it. Otherwise it'll hold like countless small little items. You have 16 cases. The box itself is 14.9 inches by 12 inches by 5 inches. So the biggest section right here is going to be 14. This is going to be 12, and it stands 5 inches tall. So that's that. Let's see what else about this. It was on sale for $25-ish, so if you round it up, it was like $26 on sale. Its normal price is roughly almost $42. So it's not a bad little box for its price, considering what it could have been. I didn't find it anywhere else for cheaper, so that's kind of why I went with this box. It's got a single open lid. Let's get it open. This does not stay open by itself. You kind of have to prop it or let it lay flat. Each individual one comes out. Where did I put it? I did find like packs like this, like peas. You have to kind of crinkle or fold one side over and like shake everything to one side so it will fit, because it's bigger than the dimensions of the box. But that's basically like what would fit in here, is something this size if it were perfect. Otherwise it'll look a lot like, you know, that, where it might fit a little bit but then some might be a little smaller and stuff like that. The size of the seeds will determine how many packs specifically you can put in there. So if you get something like, what is this? This is my tomatoes. So if you have something like that, you can probably fit a lot of them in there, because they don't come with a lot of seeds unless you get a really big pack. But if you have something like the peas, you're probably only going to get away with one in there, unless you just like freely let them hang out in there. It's got this single latch and it's got this single handle here, so you kind of can confuse the two because it looks like it should be a double handle. My husband did that earlier and he ended up opening up the box, which was kind of funny. But yeah, so it doesn't have like super secure or anything like that. It's not waterproof, so if it were to get wet or be submerged, water would get in there. But each of these boxes are kind of the same way. They're not waterproof. The water would get into them, but if water got in here and then it was in the box and stuff like that, more than likely the items would be drier than if they were just sitting in the main box, if water got in there. So, but that's what I wanted to show for that. So nothing super like exciting or anything like that. You can get it online if you don't have a Michael's in your area, or if your particular Michael's is currently closed. I know a lot of them should be open right now, but some stores are still kind of closed depending on your location. So the same price that they have in store is online, because that's what I had found it for before going. I would suggest setting up an account with them on their app, so that way you can get like discounts and coupons and stuff like that. So if you wanted to get an item like this at regular price, it would be roughly 20 or whatever the coupon is % off. So it's not so bad. Well, if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. And that's it for this video, so I will see you very shortly on a new one, just coming up soon. Bye.